everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys you're doing excellent. And right now I'm in the salon. And today I would like to share one thing, guys. Sometimes what happened, people told I don't have that much time to make video. I don't have that much time to read book. I don't have that much time to speak. And how can I speak? And what I will do? And how can I improve my spoken English? So in this video, I would like to share, if you really want to improve your spoken English, so don't think too much. You have to work on yourself. Suppose you have 10 minutes, so you have to start speaking. You don't have 10 minutes, you have 5 minutes. Now every person has 5 minutes. Don't make excuses. Right now I'm in the salon and I have little editing work. Still I'm making video just because I maintain my consistency. So that's why. And if you really want to make consistency, so you have to work on yourself. Sometimes, guys, we want to improve, but we told I don't have any partner, and how can I express myself and how to start speaking? So you have to, if you are a beginner, so you have to start grammar. You have to know little bit grammar. Why I'm telling you little bit grammar? Just because of ग्रामर एक बेसिक चीज है, उसको अगर आप नहीं जानते हो तो इंग्लिश आप नहीं बोल पाएंगे. कुछ यूट्यूबर बोलते हैं कि आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है तो ग्रामर की नीड नहीं है. इट्स टोटली मिथ. You have to focus little bit grammar. I'm not talking about totally grammar. I'm talking about little bit grammar related to tenses, related to verb, conjunction, preposition, and noun, pronoun. You don't know what is the pronoun. You don't know what is the conjunction. What is the part of speech. So how is it possible to speak in English? When it's come to the people told you have to listen, podcast. You have to speak English. So how? कैसे? You don't know. बेसिक ही आपको नहीं पता, आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखोगे? So that's why today I would like to share, you have to start basic things related to noun, pronoun, conjunction, preposition, and tenses. What is the past tense? What is the future tense? What is the how to use ed verb? How to use what is the regular verb? What is the irregular verb? And you have to watch only English to English video. When you will go, search YouTube channel related to how to start my English and how to improve my spoken English. So at that times what happens, sometimes we watch Hindi to English. Don't watch Hindi to English. When you will watch Hindi to English, so you manipulate yourself. So there is no need to manipulate yourself. You have to watch only English to English. अगर आप ग्रामर से भी रिलेटेड वीडियो देख रहे हैं ना, तो थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी इट्स ओके, बट आप हिंदी टू इंग्लिश वीडियो मत देखो. क्योंकि जब भी क्या होता है, जब हम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश देखते हैं ना, तो एक तो टाइम वेस्ट होता है, बाद में हमको समझ में नहीं आता है. तो आप क्या है, यू हैव टू वॉच ओनली इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश. जब भी हम कुछ भी मूवी वगैरह देखते हैं, तो क्या हिंदी में ही देखते हैं? ऐसा तो नहीं कि हिंदी टू इंग्लिश देखते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है ना. सो यू हैव टू वॉच ओनली इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश एंड देन सी चेंजेस. एंड यू हैव टू फोकस हाउ टू use vocabulary and how to speak English. Like suppose right now you don't have any partner, so you have to record yourself. Like now I'm recording and I'm sitting my home, salon, but still I'm making video. Why I'm making video? Just because I want to upload. So that's why. And if you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to work. You have to speak at least 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and then see changes. Isn't it? And another thing, like you have to read book, you have to watch small video related to what you want to, and then you have to speak in English. Sometimes we have fear, we have hesitation, we don't know how to speak in English. So you have to speak related to hobby, related to what you want to, related to your daily routine, and then you speak. So it's benefit for you. Okay, and what about like sometimes what happens? Yeah, it's and sometimes like when you will speak in English, so at that times our mind blank. Why? Because we forgot words, so that's why. So don't think too much related to words. You have to start. Okay. Sometimes we speak wrong sentence. We speak right sentence. So don't think right and wrong. You have to start and then see changes. यहाँ का वेदर ऐसा है एंड मेरा सलून का भी व्यू ऐसा है. आप लोग को कैसे लगा मेरा सलून वीडियो एंड मेरा बोलने का स्टाइल अगर अच्छा लगा तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. एंड लास्ट में मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि सच्ची में आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है तो थोड़ा सा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है एंड थोड़ा सा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. ये क्या है कि व्हेन यू विल learn English, it's not a cup of tea to learn English easily. It's hard to maintain our consistency, to maintain our fluency. Okay, you have to first you have to think and then you will speak. So it's better for you. Every day you have to think, and when you will think now, at that times you have to think only English. Don't think in Hindi to English. How many times I told you guys, don't think Hindi to English. When you will think Hindi to English, so you never will learn English. So you have to think only English to English, and you have to push yourself. You have to motivate yourself. Like now I am going to learn English, and anyhow as soon as possible I want to achieve my fluency and I want to build my confidence. So that's why I want to learn English and work on yourself. Isn't it? So how was my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. So bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.